In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Face ID. Make sure you watch it until the end because I'm going to explain some things that you need to know about removing Face ID. So what you need to do is go to Settings on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down, and here you should see Screen Time, and then under that you'll see Face ID and Passcode. If you can't see Face ID and Passcode, the reason is because you have parental controlled permissions on your phone. So you need to go to Screen Time and then go to Content Restrictions and turn that off before you can access Face ID. So click on Face ID and Passcode, enter in your passcode here, and then once you've entered it in, you've got two options. You can go ahead and manually uncheck Face ID from everything here and just continue to any of these notifications. This will keep your Face ID stored, but it won't be used for any of these features. Or you can just scroll down and go to Reset Face ID button and click on it here. Now, you do need to have stolen device protection turned off, so click on that and then disable this. And once you've done that, you can then click Reset Face ID. This will completely remove your face from Face ID.